Hi there, Mr. Scott again. Wanting to talk about today how I can understand that the plot is the sequence of events in a story, including the problem and solution. Now, when reading a story, usually a fiction story, it's very important that we are able, as the reader, to follow the events. Why? In order that we can understand deeper things that are happening, such as cause and effect, and that we can understand how all the parts of the story work together in the whole. So we have two books today that we're going to look at. First one we'll look at is called The Other Side. Second one is The Dunderheads. We've read both of these books recently, and it's important that we think about the plot. What happens in the story? The problem, the events, and then the eventual solution. So if you think about The Other Side, what was the problem in The Other Side? Indeed, the girls played on different sides of the fence. But as we continued the story, events took place, such as the two girls, the black girl and the white girl, decided to play together. And then because of that, the solution, the fence is no longer a barrier. Great story. Love reading it myself as well as with my boys. Now, when we think about the Dunderheads, what is the problem in the Dunderheads? What are the events that take place? And what is the solution? Again, answering the question about plot. What happens? So in Dunderheads, think about what is the problem that happened in the Dunderheads? Yep, indeed, Miss Breakbone took Junkyard's cat statue. Now, after Miss Breakbone took Junkyard's statue, what are some of the events that took place? Now, there are specific events that took place, but the general idea being that the kids worked together to get the cat back. So then, the solution. What happens as the solution? And the solution is part of the plot. So what happens as the solution for the Dunderheads? Yes, Junkyard gives the statue to his mom for her birthday. So now what we just did, we went through again a couple books. The Other Side, we looked at what happens, the plot, with the problem, the events, the solution for The Other Side, as well as Dunderheads. Now today when you read a fiction book, think about what happens. That is the plot. What is the problem that happens? The events, the solution, they are all part of the plot. So think about that today as you're reading your fiction book.